Hey.
Oh, hey.
Sleeping on the studio floor again.
Yeah. Yep.
Nice, okay. So you remember you're supposed to be making a video today, right?
Yeah. Oh, what should it be about?
It's gender bending the Teen Titans, remember?
People want to see that?
Yeah. Just make them girls.
You want the Teen Titans grills.
No. Make them girls.
So you mean to make them girls?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
What's happening, guys? This is Taylor Payton, aka Tay-Pay, and today we are going to be drawing the gender bent Teen Titans. So for those of you who are not familiar, Teen Titans was a 2000s, I think like early to mid 2000s sort of kids show, and it was one of my favorite shows growing up. I'm going to be drawing the gender bent Teen Titans today because Teen Titans Go actually did that already in sort of a way, and I wanted to tackle that in my own sort of design, my own sort of style. Plus, I am currently at the tail end of my mentorship with One Fantastic Week. You can check them out in the description box below. We've had a lot of great episodes together. They have been helping me amp up my art game. But I digress. Let's hop into the process to see if we can turn some of the Teen Titans guys into Teen Titans girls.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Alright guys, so here's the final version that I came up with of Robin from Teen Titans. Basically, a lot of similar colors. I switched out a lot of the blacks for blues, and then we have a really cool kind of highlight in the hair, same equipment, just a more interesting breakup of shapes in the costumes in my opinion. Next we have Beast Girl. She came out really cool, very skin-tight outfit, very bestial, kind of had a more white take instead of using black for the color of Beast Boy's outfit in Teen Titans. Lastly, we have the girl version of Cyborg. I tried to stay pretty true to the original version, just switching out some of the shape designs and kind of giving her a hairstyle and maybe adding a little more red just because it's a nice spicy color. It was really cool to work on, and I hope you got some insight into the process. If you want to see me do the girl to guy transformation, let me know in the description box below. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Do you want to see more videos like this in the future? And lastly, if you want to learn how to draw for yourself, check out thebeginnerdrawingcourse.com, where I have several different courses to help you level up your artistic abilities. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy creating.